Hi, my name is Richard, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about ProstaLite before actually buying the product. I also have really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about ProstaLite's supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is ProstaLite and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, really works. ProstaLite is a powerful natural supplement that helps restore proper prostate function in men. It uses the most clinically researched ingredients known to help combat the most common issues surrounding poor prostate health. Within weeks, ProstaLite users feel less urge to pee, have less difficulty peeing, have better flow, and won't feel pain and pressure. Even better, these men have reported that they can finally sleep better at night because they no longer have to wake up several times a night to go. To improve prostate function, you must take 1 capsule of ProstaLite each morning with water. Within a few weeks, ProstaLite should relieve your prostate issues for a healthier, happier life. Best of all, ProstaLite was formulated for men of all ages. It doesn't matter whether you're 20, 40, 60, or even 80. If you're struggling with prostate issues, ProstaLite claims it has the right ingredients to help naturally relieve your issues. For best results, the recommended is the purchase of at least 3 bottles. My personal recommendation is the purchase of 6 bottles, which comes with a big discount. Do not lose more money with expensive products that do not give any results. Make a test with ProstaLite and see the fastest and easiest results of your life. Remember that buying on the official website below, you will have 60 days to use ProstaLite 100% safely, without risks. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and if you still have questions, the best place to understand more about is on the official page. Click the link below.